Hello, boys and girls. My name is Bernie the Bull. Today we're gonna talk about butterflies. Butterflies have been around for millions of years. Way back when the dinosaurs was on the earth. We forget sometimes that butterflies are insects. And this is because they're so beautiful. They're full with colors. They comes in all shapes, sizes.
Butterflies don't bite. They're really nice.
Butterflies are the most beautiful insects in the world.
Look at these blue.
When people think of insects, they think of little creeping, crawling creatures that can bite you.
Look at his teeth.
When butterflies are young, they're insects, caterpillars. They creep and crawl around the earth.
That's a caterpillar.
Caterpillars are eating machines.
They're hungry.
They will double or triple their size in their lifetime. When a caterpillar is young, that's the most dangerous time in their life. Caterpillars can get eaten by spiders, snakes, birds. They have to be very careful when they're young.
Oh no!
Caterpillars have strange looking bodies. They come in all shapes and sizes. Most caterpillars have hairs all over their body. Caterpillars have thousands of muscles. When the caterpillars are born, they eat all the leaves and branches on the trees that they are around.
They're hungry.
Caterpillars' jaws are very strong. They need their jaws to be strong so they can eat the leaves and the branches that they crawl around on. It only takes baby caterpillars 5 to 10 days to grow up to be an adult. When caterpillars become an adult, they create a callus. Something like the cocoon that a moth creates. It's different though. It's called a callus. And then they attach themselves and hang upside down. And in a very few days, they start to become a beautiful butterfly full of colors. This process is called metamorphosis. It loses its mouth and it's replaced with a straw-like tongue to get the nectar, food that they need out of the plants.
Wow!
The new butterfly will now have 3 pairs of legs, not 8 like it had when it was a baby caterpillar. The butterfly's eyesight will improve, and his eyes will get bigger. Butterflies are cold-blooded. Humans are warm-blooded. That's the opposite. That means that whatever the temperature is outside, that's what the butterfly's body is. They need the light from the sun to warm their bodies so they can fly. Depending on the species of the butterfly, the average life is only 4 weeks. Butterflies eat nectar. Most humans create nectar by taking fruits and putting them on a plate and letting them dry out. The butterflies will find them. Butterflies are only concerned with 2 things: to reproduce and eat food, so there can be beautiful butterflies in the future. Butterflies eat nectar from flowers with their long straw-like tongue. It's called the proboscis. Butterflies' big, beautiful eyes give them great eyesight. Their tiny antennas on their head help them find their nectar. They can smell it through their antennas.
Weird.
If you think that's weird, butterflies taste with their feet, not their tongue. Most butterflies fly between 5 and 13 miles per hour. The biggest butterfly in the world is called the bird-winged butterfly. The bird-winged butterfly wings can grow up to a foot long. When they fly, they look like birds in the sky. That's where they got their name from. They're located in New Guinea. They are an endangered species. That means that they are protected. There's only a few left in the world. Some butterflies are like birds. They travel sometimes up to 2,000 miles away to seek out warm weather. This can be as far as California. When a monarch butterfly gets there, it lays its eggs. When the eggs hatch, the butterflies fly all the way back north, like to Boston and New York. The monarch butterfly is the only butterfly known to man that can make this migration. This is the same thing birds do. When winter comes, they fly south, and then when spring comes, they fly back north. The butterflies have transparent, beautiful, colorful wings. Butterflies' wings are transparent, and they have thousands of scales. Look at the butterflies. They're so beautiful. This is the monarch butterfly. They use the orange, black, and white. Look at the beautiful colors. Oh, yellow and black. Ah, look at the kitty. Wow. These butterflies are gorgeous. I love butterflies. He's eating. Wow. This butterfly is trying to find a nice flower. Whoa! Black and white. Oh, white butterflies. Butterflies sip moisture from the water. They need the salt that's in it. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed our video on the butterflies. Make sure you tune in to the Huggy Tuggy Playhouse so you can get the Huggy Tuggy power. Yay! See you next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and comment.